Okay, let's take a peek at 419 Main Street, Destin, Florida. Let's see what we got here. There she is. There she is, bit overgrown. Right here on Main Street, Destin, Florida. It's a two-story. Tons of potential on this thing. This is a fixer-upper, available by assignment. We're asking $195. $195. Okay? Let's walk on around. Can't get in the front door. They've got it boarded up. It's brick, split level, 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom upstairs, and then a full, I guess you would call it a mother-in-law's apartment downstairs. And then it has an additional bedroom or den, whatever you would like to. It's qualified as a bedroom, but it could be a den off the dining area downstairs also. So it could easily be called a 5-bedroom, 2-bath. I would highly suggest coming and looking at it. A lot of potential to be very creative, a lot of room to make some money, or just to move in. So let's take a peek. There's the back. It's the back of it. You can see where it's split level. So let's work our way to the mother-in-law's suite first, because the flow will be a little bit easier for everyone to understand. It is a concrete patio right here that comes off the kitchen and the guest bedroom I was speaking about, and the dining area with the sliding glass doors. French doors might be very nice right there. There is no rot on the upstairs porch, but I would highly suggest replacing it anyway. It's not rotted, but it could be built a lot sturdier. Alright, let's see if we can find our way in here. Take a peek. Uh-oh, it doesn't look like we're going to get any light down here. So we'll do the best we can with the light. I do apologize. I'll try and explain it the best that I can. Okay. There is a fireplace down here. Right behind here. It's a fireplace. It does work. It would probably be needing some good cleaning. Once again, I apologize about the lighting. The power's not on, but the meter is still in the box. So this would be kind of like an efficiency, well, not so much an efficiency, but say a studio apartment. There is a full bathroom down here. That would be the laundry as it sits now, which could easily be moved. Small full bath. It is a full, well, 3/4 bath. It's a shower. Once again, I hate that there's no light, but there's a shower right there. Maybe the photographs show it better. And then a toilet and vanity on the other side. Okay, so let's go up the stairs and we'll come out in the kitchen. So we're in the kitchen area. That goes out on the patio. For some reason it's very bright. I'm going to try and adjust the light a little bit. It's not really working with me very well. There we go. So that's coming out of the kitchen door. Potential here. Lots of potential. Okay, let's see if our light helps any. So this is where I would move the laundry to if it was me. But everyone will have their own idea. Nice large pantry. This could be a den or another guest bedroom. Large walk-in closet. I apologize for the lack of lighting. Once again, also go out on the rear deck. As you can see, it's secured. To the living room, that would be the front door, the coat closet, or whatever you might want to call it, here. This would be your air handler, would be downstairs, so this would be your return. And let's go up to the bed area. Okay, so you have full bath up here. So there's the tub. It's a nice shape, but it definitely needs to be upgraded. Vanity, large mirror, toilet. Linen closet. And then you actually have this door goes out to the upstairs balcony. Place is in need of considerable cleaning up and upgrading. Structurally sound. No termite damage that's evident. No water damage that's evident. No plumbing or electrical issues that are evident. It's just mostly upgrading this thing. Flooring, quite a bit of just upgrading. Okay, these over here to the third, the smallest of the bedrooms. Looks like someone was using this one as an office. 419 Main Street, Destin, Florida. Can't get a better location. Can't get a better price. We're asking $195,000. 419 Main Street, Destin, Florida. Okay. Lots of upgrades and cleaning, and this could be very, very nice. We hope you enjoyed the walkthrough video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel here, and you can check out the rest of our great investment opportunities on this side right here.